We treat Dogecoin, Doge cryptographic money with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished in the event that a digital currency has solid local area support. Brought into the world as a web image, Dogecoin shows how a basic joke might increment in worth and come to a $88 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost expectation. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin. Doge is a decentralized, open-source digital currency intended to work with the exchange of significant worth rapidly, proficiently, and safely. Made in 2013 as a pleasant option in contrast to Bitcoin and other computerized money projects, Dogecoin has been getting momentum and fame with many organizations across the globe who will acknowledge it as installment for labor and products. In late 2013, Adobe item showcasing director Jackson Palmer and programmer Billy Marcus created Dogecoin, an unexpected spoof digital money. Crypto fans later named it an image coin. The two set off to make the task as ridiculous as could really be expected, putting together it with respect to a famous web image of a Japanese Shiba Inu Doge, saying immense senseless expressions like many goodness, and such drained. One more of the weird choices made by the Prime supporters setting a stockpile cap at 100 billion coins was to make Dogecoin ugly as a digital money, so that it didn't become serious. Nonetheless, this supply limit was in the end cancelled to energize the utilization of the digital currency and deter hodling. The digital currency market viewed Dogecoin in a serious way after its cost soared toward the finish of 2017, making it one of the large players in the cryptographic money world in an extremely short measure of time. From that point forward, the coin developed its client base further, with the assistance of the Reddit people group. Doge subreddit has right now 2.4 plus M subscriber and other social stages. It moved the Dogecoin market cap in rates which not even the most bullish examiners might have anticipated. A huge calculate Dogecoin's new flood in notoriety is the developing number of strong superstar advocates who reliably express their help for the digital money via online entertainment. The rundown of Dogecoin digital currency allies incorporates American rappers Sneak Homeboy and Lil Yachty, previous Jockey Green, Kiss co-lead vocalist Quality Simmons, Tiger Lord, Netflix series star Carol Baskin, and previous porno star Mia Khalifa. Other specialists Dogecoin forecasts. As you can see from the past blocks, there is no agreement in the crypto circle about the fate of the first image coin. The news titles are continually loaded with reports like Doge is picking up speed. This sort of media foundation is very much reflected on the coin, and a gigantic fan local area of this crypto resource hurls the cost. Doge, as a rule, is portrayed by aversion to showcase feeling, as well as reliance on media declarations. That is the reason a multitude of Dogecoin hodlers are sure development is inescapable. All that remains is to hang tight for another publicity-wide declaration from a superstar or a significant organization. One more camp of crypto devotees accepts that the times of Doge's previous greatness are finished, and a new, current coin, which will likewise have genuine utility, will have its spot. It's pivotal to remember that cryptographic money markets are still unimaginably unstable, making it trying to predict a coin or token's cost with any level of precision over a shorter period of time, and, surprisingly, harder over the long haul. Accordingly, gauges made by specialists and calculation-based forecasters sometimes end up being wrong. We encourage you to constantly direct your own exploration, assuming you are contemplating putting resources into cryptographic money. Prior to going with any money management choices, think about the latest market patterns, news, specialized and basic investigation, and well-qualified assessment. Kindly remember that the resource's previous exhibition isn't an assurance of future outcomes. Besides, never put away cash you can't bear to lose. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Dogecoin will be $0.09999. The most extreme level that the Doge cost can reach is $0.1199988. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.09999. Possible return for money invested, 64.4% by Doge value conjecture for WAC 2023, in view of the value variances of Dogecoin toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of $0.0789921 in WAC 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.0719928 and at $0.08099919 individually. Possible return on initial capital investment, 10.9% by April 2023. Dogecoin value estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the Doge cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.0779922, while the most extreme could reach $0.0849915 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around $0.0819918. Likely return for money invested, 16.4% by Doge value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value changes of Dogecoin in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Doge rate they anticipate may be around $0.0829917 in May 2023. It can drop to $0.0789921 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.0889911. Possible return for money invested, 21.9% by June 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The Doge cost will be exchanged at $0.0859914 by and large. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogecoin worth to $0.0929907. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.0819918 in June 2023. Expected return for money invested, 27.4% by Doge value figure for July 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Dogecoin costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023 $0.0879912. The most minimal and top Doge rates may be $0.0849915 and $0.0969903. Likely return on initial capital investment, 32.9% by August 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Doge cost will be around $0.0909909. In August 2023, the Dogecoin cost might drop to at least $0.0879912. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.09999 in August 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 37% by Doge value figure for September 2023. Having broke down Dogecoin costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Doge rate could arrive at a limit of $0.109989 in September 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $0.0909909. For September 2023, the anticipated normal of Dogecoin is almost $0.0939906. Expected return on initial capital